Here's another video of me doing weird characters while on vacation. Please subscribe. Tonight on Adventures with Nellie the Nature Queen.
Hey everyone, it's me, Nellie the Nature Queen. Here I am in a rainforest in where? Costa Rica. What? Costa Rica. What? Costa Rica! First of all, if you're gonna hike in the rainforest, you need all of the accommodations. So you wanna wear shorts, you wanna wear a top. Shoes are optional, but there are snakes. Gotta look out. You also wanna make sure that you're wearing mosquito repellent, but not DEET, because that's bad for the environment. So if you want to go on an adventure through the rainforest in Costa Rica, follow me. Come on, let's go. No, wait, sorry, it's the rainforest. It's really big. The bridge looks all the same. Hold on. This way. Ow, 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 ow. You probably want to wear shoes. Come on, let's keep going. Ow, oh, it's muddy. Okay, we're gonna go on the bridge. We're gonna conserve some animals today and explore them and learn them. Okay, bye, let's go. Goodbye, come on though, but be behind me. Come on, follow along. You gotta be faster. Because if the jaguar comes, you know what you gotta do? Not run. If you wanna be a hot yoga girl on the internet, you gotta do some yoga on the bridge. Okay, time to hike. Necesito agua. That's what you say when you need water. Felt like doing it.
Hear that? It's the sound of rain. In the rainforest, it might rain. So you're going to want to bring a jacket, which I definitely didn't bring.
Ever hear of the ocean? Bet you can hear the ocean because it's right there. And guess what? It's got a lot of currents. You don't want to go swimming if the currents are there because then they'll pull you out into the ocean and you might perish forever. Or you can just get in up to your waist and come on right back in and be smart about it. But on that note, I'm going swimming over my head.